Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Spiegel Mom Scraps. This is the first day of the Sparklers Scraplifting the Boss Lady week. We are each taking one of our favorite layouts from Jody and scraplifting it. I am doing this one, I included at the beginning of the video, and it is about her daughter's love of reading, and I thought it was perfect. So I have these two pictures of my son from a few years ago, and he's in front of a bookshelf that was in his classroom, and I thought they were perfect for my title. So I kind of cut out me gluing down this part of my title, and it's going to be Dinosaurs Didn't Read, Now They're Extinct. Coincidence? I think not. And I thought the facial expressions in the pictures are perfect for this title. Now I did speed this up really fast because, as you can see, my camera got bumped and so the angle is off, and so you can't really see anything I'm doing on the lower part of the layout. In a little bit here I do slide it up a little bit, but I really apologize for that. I really got to get better at checking that. So I'm using a lot of the Wild Child by Pink Paisley, and the Cool Kid collection by Crate Paper, and then I also have some October Afternoon pieces that I'm using, and I think a couple of Fancy Pants pieces. And I really liked this layout by Jody. I love how she has so much detail kind of exploding out of her title and her pictures, and so I really wanted to kind of mimic that and scrap with that idea. So while I'm working on my title here, I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do the rest of the title. So coincidence is a pretty long word, and I had it cut out in the same font as the rest of the title, but it just was so big that I couldn't find any way to get it to fit. So yeah, I end up coming up with a different idea. So I did pull out that Paper House 3D stickers, and those are fabulous. That's the Boy Mom sticker sheet, and I love that little T-Rex on a bike. I just think it's hilarious, and so it definitely needs to get on this page because I don't use dinosaurs a lot, so I wanted to get that on here. And I also used some of these little speech bubbles so that it looks like the dinosaurs are saying things about my son. And so my idea to fix the long word of coincidence is to use these navy blue foam thickers and put them directly on the photo. And then I'm going to do the same for the I think not down at the bottom, and I'm going to use the white thickers down there. And pulled out a couple stickers from the Wild Child collection and just getting everything layered up. Like I really wanted it to look like it was coming out of the pictures, and that they're really, I don't know, like interactive to the layout. So, and I'm just going to adhere that T-Rex down, and then I'm just looking for, I needed a couple more red pieces, so I pull some red stars off and a couple of chipboard little words, and then I'm going to add some of the Boy Mom sequins here, and they are perfect for this. They're all the best colors, so they work really well, and that's pretty much going to be it. So if you don't already, you should head on over to the Spiegel Mom Scraps Facebook group. It's 15 minutes to scrap with Spiegel Mom Scraps, and that's where you're going to see all of the layouts for this week. So thanks so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!